Yesterday and just this morning, I went to the southern part of Cebu to celebrate or offer Mass for a mother of a priest who died. No? And while passing through the southern road, I observed this kind of one single branch of a bougainvillea plant. But in that single uh, shrub or sa tawag na tanom, I observed that there were many different colors. One single shrub of this bougainvillea, but there are many colors. And this brought me to think of the gospel of today. I am the vine, you are the branches. Now, my dear friends, with that, our Lord just asked of us to remain in Him, and inasmuch as He also remains for us. That is His calling for all of us. There is a tendency for us to separate ourselves from the Lord. Buwag sa kunimo Lord, kay magpakasa sa ko. Buwag sa kunimo Lord, kay maunay mauna. No matter what, maskig mubuwag ta sa atong Ginoo, ang Ginoo dili na mubuwag nato. Pero dinha sad sa pagbuwag nato sa ta maka-realize pod nga di kita productive whenever the Lord is out of our lives. Di ta ma-productive. And so Jesus is just so clear in today's gospel that whenever we are part of that kind of tree, that kind of vine, we will surely have our nutrients coming from the very tree or gaming diha sa maogyod nga pinakakuan. Kay tungod we are still part of that. Our Lord will just kind of magputol siya, prune, or magkuan siya for this branch nga dili mubunga. Atong Ginoo kamaogid siguro ni sa siyensya, no? Kibaw gid siya siyensya of kining pagpadako og tanom, pagatiman og tanom. Nya gusto man sad siya fruitful ta in all our endeavors in as much as we are still connected with Him. Connected with Him. Only can we be productive when the Lord is part of our lives and we are part of the life of the Lord. And so, my dear friends, we ask in this Holy Mass, as we continue in this Holy Mass, Lord, I'm sorry if ever I'm not that fruitful in my life, in my ministry. But I ask you, and always that grace, that I may always be part of you, as much as I also ask for that grace, that you will always be part of my life. Mora na atong hangyoon sa atong Ginoo. So that in that way, we can surely be productive 100-fold. No, muna'y gusto sa atong Ginoo nga kabahin ta niya, kita usab pod mabahin ta niya. Kabahin ta sa tuang Ginoo.